So we believe that the power of the Quad Cities is to have people at work. And we know our students come here to stay in the Quad Cities to have good jobs, because this is the town that they believe in. So thank you so much for coming today. Thank you for participating.
So we help them understand you can start with virtually nothing and create a business that can become substantial over time, but never lose that lean mindset of doing things efficiently. And being creative is a key characteristic of successful entrepreneurs.
Everybody just write down, plan ahead. Predetermine your course of action. Lay out your goals and objectives. Adjust your priorities. Notify key personnel. If you plan ahead, acknowledge your key personnel got it, head in action, expect delays, acknowledge good things, do a daily review. You do that, not only are you an entrepreneur, but a successful entrepreneur who also knows project management. So there you go.
And there are vulnerabilities. If you say, we are completely perfect, we're doing great, maybe you need to take a little bit harder of a look to see how can we better improve. Maybe that means electronically. Maybe that means adding more staff. Maybe that means the staff that you currently have isn't promoting your business or feeling 100% on board. And again, that's a hard thing to change, but it can be changed.
Testing the market. Test the market. Is the product you're making, do people enjoy that, right? Are they willing to tell their friends about it? And then as your product continues to gain momentum and popularity, then you can start to expand.